Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. You all must know that NABARD Grade A 2020 advertisement is out, and this year NABARD has released 139 vacancies. The detailed notification will come on NABARD website on 10th of January. So many students are asking how to prepare for agriculture and rural development section for NABARD Grade A examination. In this video, we will discuss what are the important topics under ARD section and how to prepare for those topics. Let's start the video. First, we'll understand the examination structure of NABARD. NABARD has 3 steps. First step is phase 1 examination, and second step is phase 2 examination. Third and final step is interview. There is a linkage between phase 1 and phase 2 examination. We will try to understand what is the linkage between phase 1 and phase 2 examination and how one can prepare together for these two phases. First, we will understand what are the pattern for phase 1 examination. In phase 1 examination, one will given 2 hours to complete the paper and it will have 200 questions. In English, you will have 40 questions, each of 1 marks. Reasoning will have 20 questions. Quantitative aptitude will have 20 questions, computer awareness will have 20 questions, general awareness will have 20 marks, economic and social issues will have 40 marks, agriculture and rural development will have 40 marks. So there is 100 marks for GA, ESI and ARD. In general awareness, you will have most of the question from current affairs. In economic and social issues, you will have more than 25 plus question from the current affairs. In ARD section, you will have 10 to 15 questions from the current affairs. So you can clearly see that current affairs has weightage in NABARD phase 1 examination. Let's talk about stage 2nd, that is phase 2. It has 2 papers. The first paper is descriptive English. In this paper you have to write essay, letter, RC will be there, essay you have to write, and it will have 100 marks. Second paper is economic development and social issues and agriculture and rural development in one paper. This paper is combined, and we have seen that in phase 1 these two sections contain 80 marks. So this is the linkage between phase 1 and phase 2 examination. One can prepare this section together. In this paper, you will have equal distribution for ESI and ARD section. Here again, the current affairs weightage is huge. Almost more than 50% paper, around 60% paper will be from the current affairs. So current affairs is also very important. Now one can ask how to prepare for ARD static portion. We will discuss how to cover the ARD section. One can see the detailed syllabus of agriculture and rural development in NABARD notification. Here I have picked the important keywords and important topics where most of the questions are coming from the past years. First topic is basics of agriculture. It is very important. Under this, one has to learn definition, crop classification. This is also very important topics. Every year 1 or 2 questions come from this topic. Agroclimatic zone is also very important. Organic farming is also very important. Zero budget farming is also very important. These are the basics of agriculture. The second important topic is soil and water conservation. Under types of soil is important, soil fertility is important, soil conservation is important, watershed management is important. So this is the second most important topic. The other topic is water resource, irrigation management, type of irrigation, micro irrigation, major irrigation. These are the important topics under water resource. Another important topic is present scenario of Indian agriculture and allied activities. Here mostly current affairs based question comes, agriculture credit based question come, government scheme based question come. So this is covered under the government scheme. This is really very important topic. The other important topic is rural development, rural population in India, Panchayati Raj institutions. Under this, all agriculture and rural development ministry schemes are important. You have to learn all the scheme in very detailed manner. Under Panchayati Raj institution, many schemes are mentioned. So this topic is really very important. Every year 2-3 questions minimum come from this topic. So these are the most important topic for agriculture section. Let's talk about some other topic under the agriculture section. Plantation and horticulture is also very important. Under this, horticulture situation in India one has to learn. Animal husbandry, here livestock census is important. Ecology and climate change, this is current affairs based topic. Under this, UNFCCC you have to learn. COP you have to learn. All these things you have to learn. So this is also important topic, but it is relatively less important than the earlier topic. Another important topic is fisheries and forestries. Farm and agri engineering are less important topic. Agriculture extensions are also less important topic. So if you have less time, you have to cover the topic which is mentioned in the green. If time permits, you can cover these topics. If you have again more time, then you can go for farm and agri engineering, agriculture extension. So this way you can cover the whole agriculture syllabus. If you don't have much time, only focus on topic which is mentioned in the green box. So this is the overall preparation for agriculture syllabus. EduCare 247 has launched NABARD Grade A 2020 crash course. In this crash course, you will get general awareness, economic and social issues, ARD current affairs, computer awareness section will be there, government schemes are covered, reports and indices are covered, economic survey and budget is covered, report published by NABARD and different ministries is covered, summary of Yojana and Kurukshetra is covered, ARD static portion is covered. Under this, notes will be provided, MCQs will be provided, live doubt session will be there, and some notes will be in the form of video lecture. You can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe the courses. We have separate courses for ARD section also. If one has to join ARD course only, they can also join the course. Under ARD course, computer awareness section is also covered. You can call on this number or you can visit our website for the subscription of the course. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.